What up, family? So, um, had a rough day yesterday. Lost an extra this combine. I'm like 2 days in this one. Lost like 300 on this one yesterday, bringing me down to 664. So we're starting from behind today, and we're gonna stay on this one, and then maybe we'll switch to a combine later on today. But yeah, price yesterday was just fucking. It was insane. I didn't catch the long. I hesitated. Once that happened, the day was basically over, and then I kept on trying to. All three of my losses were actually on longs yesterday, so which is weird. I guess I started trading it around like 12 within the range though, so that kind of fucked me up a little bit. But whatever, that's behind us. That's behind us. So we're gonna start today, starting behind a little bit, but we got this. We got the ES and NQ up right now. I'm looking at the NQ a little bit more because of where we are on NQ. I actually put let's go on here. Settlement on NQ is way lower, so and that would be my target. We got London lows down here that hasn't been taken. We did take out the highs. News pushed up, swept over here on NQ. On ES it did a divergence. It did the exact opposite. It stayed just below it a little bit. So it's kind of what I'm looking at. I'm looking for lower prices, obviously, but you could never count the bulls out in this market. And if they start pushing this thing back up to new all-time highs, I'm really not gonna fight them. There's no point. So we'll see what happens here at it's 9 o'clock at open, 9:30. But my idea right now is to aim for these lows and then ultimately these lows down here. It looks like they're coming down for London. If they come down for London pre-market and they start turning, if they get here by 9:30 and they start turning back up, it's probably gonna go long. But the 1 hour looks really weak on that news candle. Came up, swept, came back down pretty aggressively. 15 minutes even looks nasty. Gives you a nice doji right here. So yeah, it's looking like we're trying to come down to discount, come down to London, and then I would target settlement down here. So we'll see where we go. Hopefully we have a decent day today. And if I take this on ES, I would kind of look for basically the same thing. Settlement's a little higher. ES would just bring you right back into structure, which is the reason why I'm thinking about trading NQ today. We'll see, how they move at open. But yeah, that's my plan for right now. To trade these instruments and just have a beautiful Thursday. So hopefully we don't range bound today and we start moving. So yeah, stay tuned for today's action. Listen, I'm trusting the bears to do their thing today. I shorted early before my 950 macro. It's looking very weak up here at midnight. Very weak still, just playing around here. So, and then ES already started dumping. ES breaks 37. Shit might go down to the gulag. But yeah, a little early short. First target, we're gonna go again. Like my overall target is settlement price. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. It's looking good right now though. Decent. Listen, if ES starts breaking down here, might be in for something good, but we'll see. We will see.
Not until I see this low break. When this low breaks, I'll think about it, bro. They're not gonna give y'all no chance to get out. On ES, they just put so much fucking liquidity down there in 37.
Bro, there's like 4 points of there's 4 points of liquidity. Like a lot.
That shit came in like we got news or something. Like I don't even understand what just happened.
If they break through all this though,
ES is still playing.
If they can break through this with some
still bearish character structurally, still structurally bearish character. Structurally, this is actually what you want to see, but we'll see.
Yeah, I said are they gonna trap the bears? But it's interesting now because there's a lot of limit orders above and below. So
that was the what's up, Bulls? What y'all trying to do?
Yeah, it looks like it wants to go down still. I definitely could have waited. It is what it is. That's why I'm in smaller size, right? 5 micros, risking probably 250. I definitely could have caught it up here a little bit. That would have been, you know, a much better price. I would have been up $200 already. But we're back at our entry now, so no problem. Nothing. You know, don't get scared. Don't get crazy. Let the market do its thing. Whole time NQ doing all this, pushing up. ES is still at its same area, right? Went down, came back down here, still playing around. So I'm not really disqualifying the trade just yet.
Drop to take us out of this range, but if we stop at settlement, I'm out.
Still looking pretty good. Looks pretty. Yeah, ES about to break 37 now. So below that wick. 35.
Yeah, that 37.25. When we came back up and we found sellers, I was very interested, and Justin pointed out that liquidity at 50 that they've just been resting up there, and now they're starting to spread it down on the tape.
You see that one at 60 on NQ?
Yeah, 660.
Yeah,
anytime I see that, that's like my little security blanket too. I'm like,
I love those. There, look at ES. There.
Yep, ES is coming down.
Nah, stay your ass over there. Don't you look over here, you traitor. You know if it's a Bears day. If it's a Bears day, you gotta come over here and trade ES, bro. Bears day, you gotta trade
my
ES, bro.
ES.
That's a no-brainer.
Bears day, but it's all right. I'm just saying, you're looking good. I'm not gonna speak too soon. You know how this shit can get. This is 1 5-minute candle. This shit could just whiplash and go right back the fuck up. You know how NQ moves. We're looking pretty good though. Looking pretty good. 300. See what happens when we come down here to these London lows. My overall target is settlement though. I ain't gonna lie. I think we go. Just gonna Yeah, but when we come through here, I really hope it's aggressive and not like, you know, a little, we sweep and then that shit push right back up and be pissed the fuck off. We need to get some of this candle back because the news, like yesterday's news candle, that shit is all the way down here, bro. Like we could give up 100 points. Come on. All right, we're looking pretty good. I don't know now. Bookmap look like we're about to flush this thing. They're moving the motors down. Looks like it really wants to dump, but can't put nothing past this market. We came through London. We didn't just go through and sweep it. I don't like this fucking candle in ES though. This is usually the reversal candle. This thing has to come down. But we didn't come through London and just sweep it. We're chilling down here a little bit. I do want to see us keep breaking down lower to really feel comfortable. Let's go on the 15 minute. 15 minute, we're still in this little gap right here. I want to see us come down, fill this thing. Come on. Dump it. Just dump it. So I really like ES is following up right now, right? ES is following through. ES is following through. That's good. All they need to do is dump it. Dump it some more. You see my profit target. We're in this gap now. Come on, boys. Just dump the shit. No, you want to. You know you want to. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Please dump it. Here we go. That's what the fuck I'm talking about, bro. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Come on. This 5-minute candle right here looks super bullish. Super bullish. I don't know if I want to give this back up, bro. But I don't want to cut it either. maybe they want to come back in here. Wow. So right now, as a trader, what's going through your head, right? It's like I can just flatten this, take this, right, and make back some of the losses from yesterday. Cool. What would happen if I do that and then we keep going back down, right? Would that send me until for the rest of the day? You know, there's different things I'm thinking about, you know, going through this, and you have to feel these emotions throughout the day, right? Well, you get to feel these emotions, but I mean, ES is flushing back down. I'm gonna keep holding on to this, but would I be okay if this shit came back up here? Then I'd be like up $300. I don't know. You have to go through these, you know, and it's good that we have prop firms now. For, you know, once you start trading your own money, you really have to go through these emotions and really feel them, soak in them a little bit. All right, we're looking good finally. This shit's been playing around. We look like we want to trade lower. I like how ES broke down right here. So as long as NQ can follow, break down here, we'll be good for our profit target to smash. All right, it looks like they're trying to push this back into bullish character now. So I'll give it a little bit more room, right? I do want to give it a little bit more room, but if we come back up here, try to break this thing, I'm out. But we'll give it. Right now, they don't look like they want to send this thing any lower. Especially look at ES, that shit is moving. See where NQ is, 88, 91. We're flattening it. All right, I got out of that first trade. I'm back in short here. I sized down 3 contracts, so not gonna risk too much of my profit. So just 3 micros. See if I could add on a little bit more to my day here. But we'll be targeting these lows and probably settlement again. So we'll see. But not putting too much risk on the table though. Damn, I'm fucking up my lunch right now, but that trade printing right now though. I sized down with 3 micros, so I didn't have to worry about the trade too much, and I also didn't want to give back too much in case we wanted to push up here. Yeah, that shit printing. Gotta capitalize on those days where you're reading price pretty well. I suffered drawdown a little bit, about $30, and then that shit just printed right after that, man. It was good. Really good. That trade is moving, bro. We just came down here. Well, we're popping back up pretty quickly, but I'm pretty sure this thing goes lower. ES just broke their lows over here. I want to see what happens, but yeah, just trusting yourself. I just worked on trusting myself, right, and being able to really get back the fuck in there after a good trade, especially once you capitalize on it. Lower your size, obviously, so that you're not putting too much risk on the table, but don't be afraid to get back in the market and make a little bit more money, because on good days, days when you're seeing price action very well, definitely try to capitalize on that. But I want to see if we come down to settlement price over here. When we come down here, when we get closer, I'll probably move this and start trailing closer and closer and closer, and squeeze in as much profit as I can out of this. All right, here's what we'll do. We'll move this. Let's look at the 1 hour settlement down here, right? I want to see. We'll start trailing, right? We'll start trailing very close to it once we start pushing down lower and lower, right? And then we'll keep this moving a little bit. Definitely want to see what happens down at settlement. You don't want to just, because that shit could flip pretty quickly, right? But if NQ wants to go lower, I'm gonna keep going with it. But let's trail this thing though. What a rejection right at my level. Right at my stop. Just a tick off again, which is awesome to see. That's a good start right there. 1 o'clock. Let's see if they cleared the book map. Yeah, liquidity at 60. I think I'm done here though. We're gonna call it. $300 off this trade. 47. All right, that's it for today. We'll call it $700, and look at that, it came back up anyway. So we'll see what 10-year bond does. All right, it's 1 o'clock. Really good day. Yeah, huge turnaround from tomorrow. Obviously, when we stepped in this morning, I was down like $600 on this express funded account. Was able to bring it back up 111 bucks. So that's pretty good. It's a good start. So $775 on the day. And yeah, that's a beautiful day. That's a green day. We just keep grinding. Tomorrow's Friday. We'll keep doing our thing, man. So thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'm gonna have affiliate codes at the bottom of this video. If you guys wanna get some accounts for either Apex, My Funded Futures, not TopStep, who else? Any other places that's out there, I'll put those at the bottom. And yeah, use those. Support me, support my journey, and I'll get more videos out to you guys. So peace. Thanks so much for watching.